Meaning of deductible.
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 Deductible. A deductible is a specific amount of money that an individual must pay out of pocket before their insurance coverage begins. For example, if a policy has a $500 deductible, the individual would be responsible for paying the first $500 of any covered expenses, and the insurance company would cover any remaining costs beyond that amount. The purpose of a deductible is to encourage individuals to be more mindful of their healthcare spending and to reduce the number of small, low-cost claims submitted to insurance companies. Overall, a deductible helps to lower insurance premiums for policyholders.